If I look straight ahead, you can see this bit's quite heavy. It looks heavy in my eyes. I've got more space up here and nothing really on the lid. So if I was to do eyeshadow the way I do it, and a lot of people who don't have hooded eyes, you wouldn't see the eyeshadow on me. A couple of products you can use here. So you can use something like that, which is like an eyeshadow stick, or you can use an eyeliner, or you can use like a sort of cream eyeshadow. Start with just priming your eye. You can use concealer, you can use an eye primer. You want to put something on your eyelid first, especially before you put any product on. If you're going to be doing likes putting eyeliner or anything on your eye, you want it to glide on a bit easier. Get your wee eyeliner. I'm going to start with the smaller one to trace out the shape first, so I just need to get that going. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to look straight ahead, you're going to keep your eyes open for this, and I'm going to go up here. So if you can see where I'm going quite high up in here. The hood, I'm going above the hood. If I'm just looking straight ahead and I'm just filling in that little bit at a time. I am also going to just go from the end of my eye, so following the bottom waterline up. I am just going to go out, and don't worry how messy this is going to look to begin with. I'm going to go out and just wing it up towards that. So I'm going to take it out like that, so just following your natural line under there, so just following up there. I'm going to go quite far out, and again keeping my eyes open, and I'm just going to connect that. It's above there. Most people would do it in this bit. This is your crease down here. A lot of people would put it in there, but you're not going to see that on my eyes. So I'm going above, and I'm just going to do that until I get that shape. Bring it in a bit. I'm not bringing it all the way in yet because I will do that at some point, but I'm starting with that. So see how I've done that? Looking straight ahead and just doing like a wee line out here and a line in there. I would recommend a brown pencil first. You can use black, but it's a bit more harsh, and it's, if you make a mistake, it's harder to kind of cover it. So this is where you can go into cream eyeshadow. I'm just going to go over my whole lid and there where that's been, and I can bring this right in. So this is a darker one. I'll retrace the steps that I've done before, but now you can see it's a lot darker. Keeping it in the outer corner, and I'm doing wee circular motions. I'm starting at the outer corner and I'm kind of bringing it in because I want to keep most of the intensity at the end. This is just to get the shape. You just want to keep looking ahead with your eyes open and just put the pencil in there, and just go over that as well. Just bring that in. That's the wee bit lighter shade as well. Keeping it to there, wee circular motions like that, and bringing it in. I'm just intensifying this a wee bit more. That's just a bit thinner brush, this. I'm just going over that wee bit I've done, keeping the intensity to your lash line. Because that's a creamy product, you need kind of powder. You can use a bronzer, you can use whatever you want. Go in with this brush, it's a little bit smaller. And I'm actually going to take the deepest shade, that dark one at the moment. Go all over, but do the wee circles and just keep the intensity at that point. See, I'm keeping my eyes open all the time when I do that. Go in with the lighter shade now, just to blend the edges to make it softer. Kind of almost up to my brow bone there. Again, I'm just going over here, I'm bringing it up into there, I'm going up into that crease, kind of making that wee shape. And again, just blending it out, keeping my eyes open. It would be quite nice to put a wee shimmer on it. So just with my finger, I'm just going to literally, you don't have to do this, is just put a wee shimmer over. Just to tidy up those edges and just to blend it so it looks a little bit more blended. So just tidy up here, so I can literally just use my fingers for that. The thing I find when you've got hooded eyes, it's quite good for the balance. It's actually quite good to put some underneath. I'm going with an eyeliner, but if you don't want to, just go in with that dark shade again. A wee fine brush like that, go in with the darker shade and just follow again under your lash line. When you've got hooded eyes, you can, with the balance, you can get away with a wee bit underneath. So obviously adding lots of mascara helps as well. You want to get some nice thick mascara. So I'm just going to go into that dark colour again, and I just want to just intensify it because why not? I'm keeping it higher up. That's the finished look. I think with the time of year it's quite nice to do some more Christmassy looks. So let me know if you want to see anything else and if you found that helpful.